Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add an object like behind the character, but like not behind the background. So I'm just going to copy and paste the video, and then I'm going to go to cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout. And for instance, I want to add in, for instance, this person behind, but I still want that yellow background. So on this video I'm just going to select auto cutout again. And as you can see, the person is behind the object, like the main object, but it's not behind the background. And I'm just going to do it one more for this person right here. I might also reverse it, well, like mirror it. Then I'm going to select auto cutout again because I want the background to be removed. And as you can see, we have here the 3 videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!